Konnichiwa. Welcome to my kitchen. I know that you have saikyo miso, sweet white miso, so you should try this recipe. Nasu no dengaku, eggplant with citrus flavored miso sauce. And here is a little saucepan. This is about 3.5 ounce saikyo miso, sweet white miso. This is 1/4 cup sake, and here is 2 tablespoons honey, and this is kombu dashi, 2 tablespoons, and this is 1/4 teaspoon salt. And first try to mix to make it into very smooth mixture. Okay, now this is almost smooth, and this needs to be cooked about 5 minutes over low-medium heat. Here are the eggplants, the main ingredients. And the eggplants need to be sliced or cut into about 1 inch size. 1 inch, it is about the tip of your pinky. So here you go. 1 inch, just straight down. One more thing you need to do is just very rough cross cuts and both sides, so that the eggplant cooks much quicker. So put these all eggplant into one bowl and drizzle about 3 tablespoons olive oil and pinch salt, another, and then let's toss this in the bowl. And here is the skillet, non-stick, already heated, very hot, and put the eggplant all at once. So while cooking the eggplants, let's come back to the sauce. This is not yet complete, and usually we add Japanese citrus fruit juice like ponzu or sudachi, 1 tablespoon, and this goes into this miso sauce, and now became watery again. So back to the heat, and then cook additional 2 minutes or so. Okay, now let's flip over the eggplant, and you can tell whether it cooked or not when it feels soft. It is done. Let me put this miso sauce on top of eggplant, and I am putting about 1/2 to 1 teaspoon. So now the miso is a little bit bubbling up, almost ready. So let's put this on a platter. And here are 2 garnishes. This is black poppy seed, and this is from the market this morning. I picked up red radish, just a slice very thin, and soak in cold water. Here is just a single one, and always please avoid the number 4. The 4 is a bad number, bad omen. So 3, and I am just adding some sprinkling poppy seed. This gives very nice crunch. And then this pretty red radish circle. Here is miso no dengaku. You can do so many things with miso, and I'm going to taste it and pick up with your finger. Miso eggplant melting. Delicious. This is for your next party. じゃあまた。See you later.